Kandy versus Havelocks, looking forward to a cracker.
Alright, yeah, take a look at the much awaited Kandy starting lineup. Yaqub Ali starts on top of Piumal Manchanayaka, Damit Disanayaka, Ganuka Disanayaka, Havelock Sports Club, Kanishka Darling, Prasad Madhusankar, Dushmant Priyadarshana, Jason Melda and Sharu Fernando. These two are going to be people to watch. We'll first take a look at replacement for Kandy, Piumal Manchanayaka, Tarindu Chaturanga.
Looks to his left, turn to his right, Dulaj Pereira, and starts proceedings here in Nithavela. Kicks it deep inside 22, straight into the skipper, Roshan Veeraratna, who replies again, brings back play just outside the 50-meter mark.
Surya Rachi to Dulaj Pereira, who's joined the line. Will have to be mindful of that. No fullback.
Offside!
Ashan Darlin goes in and offside, says the referee. So penalty advantage coming in for Havelocks. Sharu Fernando, Prasad Madhusankar loses the ball.
So another penalty coming up for Havelocks.
And it's not even the difficult side of the field to kick on. Second time lucky, so 3 points. Dulaj Pereira makes no mistake the second time around. Damit Disanayaka and Richard Dharmapala combining in. That's going to be interesting. That's the tackle we are looking at. Richard takes 1 foot and Damit tackles the waist. But there was no tipping there. It will be interesting to see what the TMO.
Foul play එකත් එක්ක නොකොන්න එකද බලන්න.
Lifted there by now. No, he's not brought down safe. So there is a issue.
They were looking for that knock on. Dimitri Vijayatunga.
Knock forward. Scrum.
They go bringing it back for the knock forward.
Scrum here.
And they bring him down. Now this Arshad Jamaldeen gives it to Danishka Ranjan. Needs to offloads it well, but not to the hands of any of his support runners. Dulaj Pereira. Opportunity here for Havelocks. Surya Rachi put in the kick. Tilna Veera Singh under it.
Back, release.
And right on top of the ball is Niroshan Fernando. And he wins a penalty. Perfect technique from him. Got the tackler down right on top of him. And excellent work from Niroshan Fernando to get the penalty. Here's Dulaj stepping up. Strikes it well. Does he have the direction? Yes, he has. The distance is good. Direction is good. Up go the flags. Havelocks back in the lead.
Referee playing advantage to Kandy. Danushka Ranjan ups to run it from the base. Vishwamitra Jayasinghe. Danushka Ranjan. Killing the ball, says the referee. So Kandy win their first penalty of the game. Sri Lankan camp, half of them were hit by heavy fever. And we had 3 players who were hospitalized, as well as Tilina Vijayasinghe makes no mistake and puts his team in the lead, 8 points to 6.
Setting it up for Kandy. Here's Roshan inside the opposition half to Dimitri, offloading it to Damit, and he leaves behind. And now Arshad Jamaldeen gives it to Gayan Veeraratna. Just outside the 5-meter mark. Kandy picking and driving, trying to play it fast. Arshad to Roshan. Here's Damit. Roshan once again looking to work around the short side. Has Arshad Jamaldeen in him. Good tackle. Yes, Vishwamitra Jayasinghe. And a couple of quick finishes from Arshad and Vishwamitra. The kick is good.
They need to touch down, get their confidence up. Fernando with a high kick. Not collected well by Vijayasinghe. Now Nishon on the counter. Can he go all the way? Yes, he does. Nishon Pereira, how about that for a comeback try from Havelock Sports Club? By Sudham Suryarachi and also Nishon Pereira, who eventually touched down, and Dulaj adds the extras as silence falls at Nithavela again.
Ball goes out wide. Jamaldeen. Watch for Dulaj here. Straight into his opposite teammate. bouncing off him but couldn't stand on his feet, Richard.
There you go. It was right in front of his heavy bench. The bench was delighted, but brilliant work. Ball lost forward by Kandy that time. Yeah.
ෆවුල් ප්ලේ එකක්ද?
We're coming back to the TMO as Dinka Pires couldn't
අනිල්
see
එතන ෆවුල්
anything.
ප්ලේ එකක් තියනවද? අනිල් එතන ෆවුල් ප්ලේ එකක් තියනවද?
Knock on. Here's the knock on. After this, there's Sharu coming in. And Sohiru Anthony.
Guna,
ඔව්.
no foul play.
No foul play. Okay, okay.
Once again, here is Dimitri. Has the power. Looks like he's held up there. Yes, it'll be a 5-meter scrum for
27. You are punching.
Fernando, that's his first yellow card of the season. That's by far a big improvement for Charo Fernando. Now, this is the reason why he's receiving the yellow card. He goes in. Oh, there you go. The swinging arm comes in. But this time, Richard Dharmapal is very well tackled.
Get back.
Taking it in is Dimitri.
Back. No hands.
Kandy opting to keep it close. Now they have width.
You see it?
Rushan Veeraratne now has the option. Decides to go himself. Inches away from the line. Kandy. Referees wanting to go to the TMO. When you have the option and the luxury of technology, why not use it?
Anil, before the try, any reason?
this was the first run by Roshan, and then Damit picking and driving through.
You may award a try.
Hey, okay.
That
Hey,
should
okay.
be awarded a try. Damit
Right.
Dissanayake.
Right.
Right under the post.
This is the halftime confirmation, 22 points to 13. Just a chat, Sudarshan, of what we thought of Kandy. They were trying to play with the forwards a lot in that initial 4th and 5th game.
They are scoring. They will be scoring towards their clubhouse. We've seen Kandy do that many a times and rack up big scores as Sudarshan Munutantri collects the ball. Surya Arache has it available at the back. Decides to send it to Fernando. Niroshan Fernando. Doesn't find touch, but not a very good start by Roshan Veeraratne.
Leo.
The pressure put in till Vijay Singh makes a knock on. So this is what I was
Offside.
talking about initially.
All offside.
Here's Sudham once again. Niroshan chipping it behind Richard Dharmapala
Offside.
after a good 1.5 years as Dulaj puts it in between the posts. Kandy will try to do their mauling again.
Now driving back again, Damit Dissanayake with the ball. Damit Dissanayake still going and they go down.
And the try
Try
for-
scored! Second try for Damit Dissanayake. This is exactly where we were talking about. Kandy is known for scoring tries right in front of their clubhouse. Second try for Dissanayake and he takes Kandy to a 27 points to 16 lead. That will steer them clear of 13 points to Havelock 16. It's a little wide off the right post, so the score will remain as 27 points to 16, 9-point lead. 60 minutes on the clock. This line-out is going to be absolutely crucial as Javi set it up. Mututantri at the back, Bodhi joins in, List and Flatney. Last man who goes in alone and he scores. Strikes it very well right through the sports. So 2 more points added to the heavy tally. This content, photographs and the videos can be purchased from www.thepapare.com as Kandy Sports Club wins a 5-meter line out and they are on the march. Driving maul and referee has his hand up. They need to get the ball to the back of that maul. They have to make anything of that one. Finally is available for Kandy. Forwards go in. Veeratne now gives an inside pass. Cheeky little move that he's been doing this season, has worked for them as well. No problem there.
Taking the scrum off there, Janik, so referee will be playing advantage. Going for TMO.
Time off.
Rahul De Silva.
Most in the Lara Club Rugby League. TMO making his debut appearance in this season, courtesy of Papare.com's and SLRF Referees Association's partnership, and also the Sri Lanka Rugby, known as SLRFU earlier.
White number 5 off, huh?
Lasitha Attanagoda, there was shot when he first carried in, and was he shot when he touched down.
That's a try.
Seems like his second charge was good, so that is a try.
Vijay Singh stepping up. Once again hits off that right post, so
Rahul now goes to his backs. Hiranta, brilliant tackle from Danush Dayan, who's just made the field. Lovely work from him. Good pressure by the Kandy backs. Danush Dayan now on the counter. Can he go from end to end? Scrambling defense by Kevin Dixon, and Dayan is not able to offload. He's putting good pressure as well. Dayan Veeraratne puts the ball to boot, and Dharmapala collects and scores. Richard Dharmapala, end-to-end stuff. A title race. And Vijay Singh does no mistake this time and adds the extra. I beg your pardon, Roshan Veeraratne adds the extras. Going to be absolutely brilliant because we will be analysing the first round as well. As Kandy restart. Now very cleanly collected. And referee says lost forward. Oh, that's a big scuffle going in there. Danushka Ranjan clearly not happy with his former teammates.
as we Mukti Rahul on the receiving end.
Silva gives it to Senal Delaka, who spills it like a bar slope. And now Shashika Jayawardena is coming in the second half. Kandy will be looking to counter. Surya Bandara intercepted by Nishon Pereira, and second time this game he will get a try under the post, and they hurry. They want to make it quick. Heavies still believe that they have a chance. 30 points to 39, and referee decides it's time. What a finish. That's the full time story. Kandy Sports Club 39 points to 30. What a game we had, although Kandy did look like they were running away with it. Havelocks made sure that they were right in the battle until the last minute.